After cleaning is completed, open the lid and empty the reservoir. Wipe the laser scanning module. Wipe the sensor lens and the anti-collision bumper. Take off the top cover, remove the dustbin, and clean the filter net and interior. Take out the multi-function cleaning tool. Clean the sponge filter and high-efficiency filter. Remove and clean the side brushes and slots. Pull the release button towards each other. Take off the main brush cover and remove the main brush. Clean the main brush and wipe down the main brush compartment. Then install the main brush and main brush cover. Clean the universal wheel. Wipe the charging contacts. Clean the anti-drop sensors. Clean the driving wheels and wipe the treads. Open the dust container. Use handle to lift and remove dust bag. Wipe dust container with a cloth. Insert new dust bag